Hello. Today, we'd like to walk you through the Sandbox Management App, a product we are developing to solve one of the most common pain points in Salesforce environments. The core idea is simple. Keep sandbox environments populated with fresh production-like data so that developers, testers, and admins can actually do their job. Right now, most sandboxes are either stale, for example, full copy sandboxes that can only refresh once a month, or completely empty, like developer sandboxes that ship with zero data. Both states make sandboxes largely unusable for real work. Our app addresses this across all sandbox types. For example, full copy sandboxes stay continuously in sync with production between native refresh cycles. Developer and Developer Pro sandboxes get populated with real masked production data. Partial copy sandboxes are treated as near full data environments through smart data selection policies within the 5 GB cap. All sandbox types get metadata synchronized, schemas, record types, peak list values, so data lands correctly every time. Beyond data freshness, we also eliminate the manual post-refresh work that typically takes 8 to 40 hours per refresh. Reconfiguring credentials, reactivating jobs and flows, resetting integrations, and more. All of that becomes part of automated, repeatable template. And before we dive in, that is a mocked up prototype. Its purpose is to show the main goals and key features of the app, not final UI or implementation details. So the first screen is a sandbox overview. It gives users a single place to monitor all connected sandboxes, showing key information like sandbox name, type, environment, sync condition compared to production, last refresh, last migration, and the current status. For this page, users can also create a new sandbox or refresh an existing one. Both actions support templates, so users can apply pre-configured settings instead of starting from scratch every time. Let's move to templates. This brings us to the templates page, which lists all saved templates along with useful data, number of execution, success rate, included steps, and last execution date. Templates can be edited or new ones created from scratch using Template Builder. The Template Builder is where the real configuration happens. It's organized into tabs, each corresponding to a different step in the sandbox setup process. For example, backup, take a snapshot before making changes. Post-configured steps handle things like reconnecting apps, configuring SSO, and fixing email addresses, and many other operations. Data migration, pull data from the specific org using a migration template, a template from our data migrator application. Data masking helps to hide sensitive data before it lands in the sandbox. Security and compliance, apply access restrictions and governance policies. Flosum topology, aligns the sandbox within your broader Flosum workflow. Not every step is required. Users pick only what's relevant to their use case. On the right side, there is a live preview panel that always reflects the current configuration across all tabs, so users can see the full picture at a glance as they build. To make this concrete, imagine a user wants to refresh their QA sandbox. They might configure it to first take a backup and to select the necessary configuration information, then to run post-config steps to reconnect apps and set up SSO. Let's select these options, for example, and then migrate data using an existing data migrator template. We can see that all changes are displayed in template preview. We can see which steps are created and selected and which steps are off. Once saved, this template can be reused for every future QA refresh. And one more capability we are planning, an ability to view jobs that were run for a specific sandbox. So the user will be able not only to configure all the settings, but also to check any progress and status of any sandbox operation in real time. This isn't part of the demo today, but it will be available in the application. That's the overview. We are looking for your early feedback. Thank you.